What's going on YouTube? Alex X is the ZX Predator. I am back from my military mission. Yeah, that was an interesting trip to say the least. Um, had run into some medical issues. Those of you who already know, I suffer from very bad sciatica, and pinched nerve has me out of the game right now. So it's gonna be a little bit of a time to recover. So yeah, that sucks because I've been over 2 weeks. I haven't rode my bike, and then now I got parts that I want to actually do the installs and stuff. But little by little, I'm slowly getting back into the swing of things. But I did miss doing videos for you guys, and I will get back to it. So I do have an unboxing and a shout out to one of my boys.
The revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube family? ZX Predator is home. Finally made it back from Europe. I was in overseas doing that mission. Some highs and lows, but it was good to get out of the country for a little while. And I'll probably talk about that on another show. But just wanted to give y'all some update. So recently, after I came back from overseas, I suffered from a really bad attack from sciatica. So for those of you who don't know what that is, it's sciatica is caused by bulging or herniated disc in the lumbar area, and I've been dealing with that since my first deployment. Long story short, I was hurt out there, been dealing with it for a while, and it put me down for about a week, and here I am trying to get caught up. But I did want to, oh damn train, hang tight. Yeah, had to let that train go. But yeah, I did go ahead and make some upgrades. So this is my media mod Hero 9 Black with the actual vlogging adapter for it. Right now I'm letting that charge, but this little something, this is the first day in a week that I was able to walk without crutches. But I tell you, sciatica is no joke. But I did have some other videos. You'll see it spliced together. It's going to be like to get caught up on everything because I got a whole bunch of new goodies for the bike. Want to give a shout out to Factory Pro. I finally got that shift star in hand. I also have some rear sets that came in that I'm going to end up throwing on the bike just to throw some accents on it. So just to let you know, videos that were in the queue are going to be going back up. Just little by little. I don't know what new content I'll be able to do until I'm fully healed. We'll see how tomorrow goes, if I can ride to work without an issue. So that's just a quick intro. Like I was saying, I did have other videos recorded. I just never got around to uploading them. But yeah, I do have, what's that? The Shift Star kit from Factory Pro. It took a while to get here because the machinist, it was back order, but got the spring, upgraded shift star, thicker teeth. I've heard nothing but good things about it, but they're saying the shift star that's in the 14 is pretty good. But with the way I'm riding, I want to make sure I have all the bells and whistles. I also picked up some Voodoo rear sets, kind of accent the bike a little bit, left and right side. Also got the Ape oil pump cover that I'm gonna probably have Absolute Cycle install for me, and I got this over here, the clear see-through. Now I'm gonna see if that actually fits with the Brox mod that I put in the into the transmission, because I think the height might be a little bit too shallow on this, so we'll have to wait and see. But a whole slew of upgrades, little by little. This is gonna be like a packed episode. You're gonna see a lot of things that I had been working on. So yeah, we're gonna move on to the next segment. That stuff, that I'm telling you, we're moving things in the right direction. What's going on, YouTube fam? ZX Predator here with another unboxing, and I had to wait and wait and wait, but to my Discord guys, the part is finally here. So this is an unboxing of. All right, so big shout out to Factory Pro. I finally got my piece. So what was supposed to happen now? What we have here. We have the oil pump cover. I have my clutch cover. And now, the last piece, and I keep knocking my mirror. Damn it. Yeah. So now, this mainly is for the upgraded spring arm kit. So, what that's, it's supposed to be more reliable shifting for the ZX14. So some of y'all don't know, I have a quick shifter on the bike via heel tech, and I can control it on my phone, kill times and what have you. Those of you new to the channel, this will work great with this. I won't miss gears doing some smackdowns and all that. So alright, so this is what comes in the box. They sent me a gasket too, so just kind of looking through a couple of things. But I do have to say, yeah, they were back ordered and held up for a while. So yeah, this is more heavy duty. Let's open this second. This is more heavy duty on the teeth. All right. Now I've heard folks say there's no added benefit to using this. Well, at least on the Shift Star. But to Teddy told me, he was in my Discord way back when, that, down in Texas where they ride at, this is kind of standard. It looks like an easy install. I think Dark Knight Racing on his YouTube channel, shout out to him. Probably put a link below because I may be sending it to Absolute to get these two components installed. But that spring, heavy duty spring, just like my clutch mod, it's all coming together. So aside from, yeah, this technically is the last thing before I start tinkering with internals on Zeus. So yeah, this is the Shift Star upgraded, thicker teeth. And the machinists, yeah, they were back ordered for a while. So those of you who are on the ZX14 community page on Facebook, everybody was just like, what's going on, this and that. The one thing I will say about Factory Pro's customer service, you can call them and they will talk to you. They'll give you updates. They was like, hey, you know what, the machinist is gonna get things out in like a week or 2 weeks and so on and so forth. So if you call them, they're pretty good. They're not a-holes or anything like that. But shout out to them. I will put a link in the description. This is pretty much all in terms, okay, during the review, we did the clutch mod from Brock's, springs, all that good stuff. I put heavier springs, all that good stuff. I did the Brembo RC19 for the clutch, make it a little less crampy on the hands. We have the oil pump cover, and yeah, so all of that is reinforced. Now, soon, probably gonna drop the bike just a little bit, get more power to the ground quicker, making some adjustments here and there, and then once we get to the whole tuning portion of it, I think I have to go back to Gould because I like what he did with my ECU. And, Giuseppe was like, hey, Gould did phenomenal work on his 14. And I think I want to go there because I do have the Power Commander over there. I reacquired one, but, we'll see. We'll see. With that's been the unboxing. This is the upgraded Shift Star from Factory Pro. Make sure you check them out. I want to give a big shout out to Lyle Du Bois from Facebook. He is also on the ZX14 community page, and I bought some parts. And here we go. Here's a quick unboxing. Yeah, because of my leg, I had to kind of pre-open, but a full Voodoo rear set. And I'm doing it with my left hand. Yeah. Alright. Lyle hooked me up. The set wasn't even that expensive. I ordered these when I was overseas in Europe. It's gonna look a little better. Sexy. So yeah, that's for the brake side. So I'm gonna get that installed. Alright. Pardon the noise. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything extra with it, so yeah, Mr. Lyle wrapped this pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna put this over here, kind of pre-assemble some of it. But this has a shifting rod, which I don't think I'm gonna need, but if you want to do GP shifting, you need that, so you can invert everything. But the kit looks really nice. Brand new, never used, so I'll put this. It would have been nice if I had some red on it, but yeah, got the Voodoo rear sets for Zeus. Gotta put that in, any little piece, drop some weight here and there, These look wonderful. These look fantastic. Alright, shout out to my boy Lyle for hooking me up. Like I said, it's a quick unboxing. Those are definitely going on like ASAP onto my Black Dragon. And I did have some other stuff. I think I'm going to just put that in the second part of this video. But yeah, there's the unboxing for my rear sets. And you'll see some of the other content later. I want to thank y'all for watching. The man, Mr. ZX Predator. I got to go back to work. I'll see y'all later.